All right, YouTube fam, what's going on? Welcome back to another stream. So we are a day early today on stream. Obviously, we usually do these streams on Wednesday. However, I can't make tomorrow. So we're doing the stream today for you guys. So let me know if you guys can hear me all loud and clear. Let me just get this going up here. Boom, done that. Good morning, good morning. Good to have you guys back in the chat. Where are we at? All right, let me just get Discord up. We got gold dropping nicely. Just had a nice hourly close on gold, currently creating a top wick. I think gold's going to come down today and take out yesterday's low before then potentially going higher. So I think what we'll do, guys, is we'll just get jumping straight in. We've got less people on stream today because a lot of you guys are probably wondering, why am I on stream on a Tuesday? Obviously, I usually do them on Wednesdays, but yeah, like I said, I can't make tomorrow, so thought we'll jump on a day earlier. But yeah, guys, drop a little like for the stream. Once we hit 10 likes, I'll start sharing my screen because I think we're gonna get some trades pretty early on this morning, and I don't want to miss anything. So let me just get up Zoom. Zoom here. All good, all good. Cool. Can you guys see me all good as well? It says that my screen is still stuck on starting soon, but it shouldn't be. Right, let me just get the new meeting up. I'm going to have my laptop charger soon as well. Cool. All right. What's going on? Right, let me just get rid of Discord. Let's get TradingView up and running. Cool, there you go. Nice one. Thank you guys, thank you. Good to have you guys here. 10 likes, appreciate it, guys. Let me just start getting the Zoom guys in and then we'll start sharing our charts. I think we're gonna get some potential sells here pretty early on gold. How was that hourly close? Yeah, really nice. From where we're currently sitting, I think gold could have a potential 100 pip drop down, which I want to see. Took some lovely scalps on gold today in the Asian session, which I'll run over with you guys. But yeah, hopefully going to take some new positions. GJ's breaking up nicely. Had a massive hourly breakup as well. GJ needs to come up and liquidate some highs. Alright, let me just plug my laptop in before it dies. Alright, let's get this going. I'll start sharing my screen with you guys. Are you charging? Why are you not charging? Cool, there we go. Alright, 11 likes, appreciate it, guys. We're going to start breaking down the charts. Alright, let's go. Let me just get it, guys, in. Where are we? Cool. Let me share my screen. Boom. Alright, let me mute this out of the way. Let's get Spotify out of the way. Oh yeah, gold pushing up really nice. Could get some early sells here on gold. Let's see how we react. We've broken this clear level of support here, guys, really strongly. Hourly was very nice and bearish, so if we can get a sell here, we could see gold come down and drive to take out yesterday's low, which would be, from where we're currently sitting, around 110 pip move. So eyes on the ball this morning with gold. Have we liquidated these lows before this push up? No, amazing. Angel, what's going on? Good to have you guys here. Good to have you guys here. Probably wait to see how the 15 minutes going to react around here. But yeah, really nice. I know some of you guys on Zoom took these early shorts on gold, which was banging. Beautiful entries. Textbook to our plan right here. Look at that. Insane move. Insane move. I didn't actually catch that. But for you guys on the Zoom who caught that, very nice trade. Now, I want to be watching around these regions. Maybe we'll spike up a little bit more. We had that drop down. We had that 5-minute doji. We grabbed the previous high. Big drop down. So we're now currently grabbing this previous 5-minute. So anywhere around these regions, I am very, very keen to sell gold. What we got? Still pushing up. We're going to wait. Want to see how we react. We'll probably get a nice rejection here. And then, you know, we'll get an initial rejection and we'll come up and grab it one more time and then we could be looking for sells. So we'll let it run up for now. Peter, what's going on, man? Good to have you back on the streams. GJ on the hourly. Very, very strong push up. We've not grabbed any significant highs. We've not really grabbed any significant lows. We've just broken that high there. We had this little minor level here. We just broke it, maybe come back down and retest, and then you could see a push higher on GJ, maybe up into these highs. So we just get rid of some of these levels. Let's clean it up a bit. What's this level here? 159. Let's get rid of that, and let's get rid of that. Nice little left shoulder head, right shoulder there on GJ. But if GJ can come back down and retest these levels, potential 60 pip range, not bad, not a bad little play. But yeah, I'm very interested in watching gold. Watching gold to come down and liquidate this low here. So yeah, we'll give it a little bit. We've got some time. You know, even if we're gonna have a push back up to these highs, and you know, to rip the highs again, we have to come and grab the liquidity. So the higher we push, the more inclined I am to sell. Let me just check the news we got on today. I don't think there's much in this London session. I know we got FOMC tomorrow. Oh, Forex factory's down. Okay. Nah, we're clear. Could you make a video on your trading view color set? Yeah, I actually have one in the community which I made. Let me just share it with you guys as well, and you guys can start using the same chart settings as me. Let me share it. Let me find it. Have it saved somewhere. Where is it? I'm sure I have it saved somewhere. Yeah, let me find it for you guys and I'll post it in here. Do I have it in here? No, maybe I... No, I don't have it in here, but I'll quickly... Settings, you guys can see here. These are the colors that I use. No, it's not the colors I use. Where do I see the colors? Background, there you go. Here, so I use that, and I use it with the gradient with the gray as well. So it just kind of fades out, and then I've got the blue and white charts. But yeah, these are the colors I'm using with the gradient. So it kind of goes from dark and just kind of fades out into a little gray. It's just kind of a nice theme I was trying out. And it looks pretty nice. So yeah, you guys can screenshot that if you want. Morning, Adam. CAD news today. Yeah, I've got some CAD news today. The boys are here. I can't hear you guys on Zoom. Is this? Oh, yeah, there you are. There you are.
Anyone actually spoke yet? Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, no one just sent that. I thought someone said something.
You were talking, so I didn't say anything.
That's all good, man. All good.
Hi.
All good. How you guys doing?
Yeah, good. How's your day?
Good. Yeah, good, man. Good. I've just got on the charts now, and I've just seen that ripper of a move on gold. Absolutely ripper. You caught EU, didn't you, Blake?
Yeah, I caught EU. I've actually never traded gold in my life, to be honest.
Oh, nice. Okay. We'll get you on the dark side. Start trading gold.
You got here. If you like EU, you like gold.
Oh yeah, yeah. EU is a nice one as well. But yeah, I do prefer gold. You got sales from.
Like I was saying in the chat, I haven't actually even finished watching all your content, but I think the way that we trade is similar. But,
Nice.
I use correlating pairs as well, so I trade EU with the USDXY.
Yeah.
And as long as the liquidity is taken on one and not the other, it means that to me, it means there's a bigger percentage move on one chart.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it took the highs on EU but didn't take it on DXY, so I took the shorts. And
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Tell me to buy or sell gold. Peter, do both. Whichever one works out, that's the one. That's your winning trade. Click buy and sell at the same time. Yeah. Click buy and sell at the same time, and one of them's going to work out, so you should make profit today. Scared of FOMC tomorrow? Yeah, big day. Big day tomorrow. We'll just take a little scalps today on gold. But I do like how gold's had this massive break of this support and currently creating this top wick with no little wick down to the lows. And I do think on the daily time frame, gold has to come and grab the previous daily low before we can go higher, and maybe even come back down and retest 1950. So from where we're currently sitting, even to grab yesterday's low, we're talking 120 pips to come down here, potential 200 pips on the cards. So yeah, I took a very, very minor scalp in during Asia today on gold. A very, very minor scalp like this. Little 12 pipperoonies, nothing crazy, but it's a nice little quick Asia scalp. And then it actually faked out and then ripped higher as well. So there was some nice volume in Asia. Very, very nice volume. Ooh,
and what kind of management you got there, right?
let me go back. Yeah.
The management was just a boom.
Yeah,
you got a key level there. Boom.
Yeah, I already had this level on, so I took off 50% here, and I was leaving 50% to come a little bit lower.
Yeah.
But then it just grabbed me, so a quick maybe $300 in the Asian sessions. I was like, cool, I'll take it all day.
$300 in 10 minutes.
Literally 5, 10, 15.
What job pays you that? Well, trading does, but you know what I mean.
Forex, sir.
Only funds.
I'd like to short GJ, but it's had a pretty strong hourly. How many pips are we to come down and grab this previously hourly low? 20 pips, not bad. Not bad.
That little spike up there that you're on about coming back down.
Yeah.
It's cleaner on EJ. I was looking at that.
Ooh, is it now?
Yes, it is.
Ooh. Yeah, I think. Hello?
On the 15. Hey.
How's it going, man?
Yeah, good. How are you guys?
Yeah, good, man. Good. Good.
Those consoles are cleaner.
Yeah, me to little wick down, grab this previous low, and then boom. That's the plan of action today. YouTube fam, we only got 18 people watching today on YouTube. What the hell? I don't want to expect me to come on a Tuesday because I can't do tomorrow. Everyone's gonna be turning up on Wednesday wondering where I am.
You're on YouTube, yeah?
Yeah, I'm on YouTube today. I can't make it. Who's that? That's really loud. Okay, let's not do that.
Come on, man.
But yeah, really nice moves today. But yeah, tomorrow FOMC, so London tomorrow is gonna be very, very difficult. So we will see. Look at that, yeah, pushing up. I'd be interested in shorting EJ for pullbacks down into these levels. Maybe only once we grab this high. So I'm actually gonna set a little lot here. Boom, done. And let's watch gold. Okay, gold's broken back above this level, so I can't short it just yet. But if we get some bearish price action, I'm interested in shorting gold. But I'm also wondering, are we going to get a fake out of this level and maybe come and grab some highs first? If we get a long setup, then I'll be playing it up into this high, which would be potential 100 pips as well. So 100 pips down, 100 pips up. Who cares? We'll see. We will see. I hope this hourly is not a fake out, but it very well could be, because we look at the 4 hourly, still doji. And that doesn't close until another 2 hours. So we got time. But yeah, there was a clean setup there on gold today. Stupid clean. Look at that. Grab these highs, break the low, come back up, create that top wick, sell stops there, stops above the highs, boom, 100 pips, done. Even if you just take it down to here, 50 pips, amazing, done. Banging.
Oh. Very nice.
Yeah, very, very nice.
Very nice. Very good.
What are you guys watching today? What do you think? Where do you think gold's going? Up or down?
Mate, it doesn't really matter, to be honest. If it goes down, then great. I got a bigger target going down.
Yeah.
But even if it goes up, right, I've still got a target to the upside until 2000.
Yeah.
It has to break those highs for me. When your level going across, it has to break that.
Yeah.
For me to consider going long. But if it goes long, then it goes long. If it goes short, then it goes short.
Yeah.
So, either way, I'm good.
Agreed.
Just not interested in this range.
I sold gold at 1982 and covered at 1979. That sounds very nice. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, that's nice play I was talking about. So you sorted here, you covered around here. Yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. I'm interested if we're gonna get what kind of pip range is this? Are we talking? We're talking 30 pip range. Not bad. I would rather not trade within this range though. This kind of, if we break out this, then amazing. We could be long up into here. If we break out of it, then amazing. We could short down into here. So I probably won't trade gold in this range unless I get a setup that's, you know, shouting at me. I unlikely will trade it in this range. Oh, Peter, hey, part of the plan. You've been crushing it recently, Peter, so it's about time you gave a little bit back to the broker. 1.4, nothing. It's amazing.
The broker's going bust on us.
EJ, yeah, EJ pushing up. Let's watch GJ as well. I'm actually just going to start using this chart. I'm going to make this chart GJ. I'm going to watch GJ on here. So let's do our levels because this is a clean chart. Do we have anything on here? Yeah, let's delete everything. Right, clean chart. Let's look at some levels on GJ. Big support level there. Where's a nice level of resistance? Here. Maybe here is quite nice actually. Resistance, fake out resistance. Yeah, resistance support. Put it a little bit lower. That looks pretty nice. Support, cool. Yeah, GJ could be coming up into this resistance. How is the daily close on GJ Doji? Oh yeah, daily on GJ is fucking gross. I still intraday trade and I'll still scalp it, but yeah, the daily on GJ is fucking horrible. Weekly didn't grab the previous weekly low, starting to close bullish. Maybe we'll come and grab yesterday's daily high. But then you could see a 25 pip drop. Yeah, I'm not really interested in GJ. I'm more interested in. Oh, look at that! EJ just grabbing that previous daily high, which is nice.
Those two candles with no bottom wick.
I know. I was gonna consider maybe something like this, like this. But yeah, this is quite nice. And I'm going to see how we react around this high for potential shorts. How was the previous hourly? It was quite strong, I think. Yeah, it was strong. If we push up and maybe tap into here, then we come back down and grab this low and maybe retest into these highs. And then we could see a nice push up. And if that's a worthwhile pip move, yeah, 40 pips, I'll take that. Then we could look for some shorts before then going long. But yeah, it's grabbing this daily high nicely now. Ooh, gold, nice, cool. If we get a 5-minute closure below this level, I'm shorting gold. I am shorting gold. Shorting gold back down into these lows down here. Yeah, hourly's creating that top wick nicely. How's that 30-minute looking? Yeah, very, very nice. Nice close here, little retest, and I'm going to be shorting gold like this for a potential move down. Let me just get the... Let me get the demo account up and ready. Alright, where are we?
Yeah, was I not on mute then?
You were on mute. Alright, demo accounts up and ready to go. Making some bangers on the demo. Only 100 lots today, I think. What do you reckon? I reckon.
You're only why only quarter risk today?
FOMC tomorrow, so I'll go back to 1,000 lots tomorrow.
Okay. That makes sense. Quarter risk.
As soon as we get closure here, I'll be looking for a nice boom, boom. But it has to close back below this level. And then we could, even if we get a little retest, what we shorten down into these lows, potential 40 pips just down into here. Let's see how we close. Are we just grabbing this previous 5 minutes then rip higher? Who knows? Who knows? Let's see. We've got to wait for the closure.
In 7 minutes.
Yeah, it's looking lovely on gold.
On gold is yeah. We're looking on gold. What an idiot. Oopsies. Yeah, man.
What's this alert?
Yeah, that woolly is looking very nice.
Yeah, nice to flip bearish. We do have a lot of noise here though as well.
Yeah, that's what I was just about to say.
There's a lot of noise.
This rubbish.
Oh.
Oops, sorry.
This.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that rubbish, yeah.
Yeah, if we don't get closure here, then I won't short it. It has to break below this level for me to want to short. Otherwise, maybe we're just grabbing this previous 5 minute high to potentially rip higher. Because the previous 15-minute close really bullish after grabbing all of this support. So maybe we'll come and grab some highs before then going down. So not this 5 minute, but the next 5 minutes is going to be key because the last 5 minute of the 15 and 30. And if the 30 then closes strong, then yeah, I think we get a push up higher.
Even if it does go higher, right, there's still a lovely potential break in the highs of around 1985.
Yeah, it's potential 80 pepperonis.
Yeah.
I'll take 80 pepperonis.
Because right there, they're not bad candles right there.
Yeah.
Then on
What did we just come into?
There's a lovely target also.
Just go into 61.
Oh, what level does gold like?
78.
Mm-hmm. Look what it is.
Boom.
Right off there.
Yeah. Yeah. How long we got? 2 seconds. There's 5 minute closed. How's this candle going to start to form? If we can start to push up, I'll consider selling, but I'm not gonna sell just yet. Not yet. I think I'm gonna wait for the 30.
The amount of hours you have obviously put in to figure out that the level that you've made on the fib and that's 78 to figure out that must be disgusting. How many hours?
Oh yeah, just loads of times, you know, doing this and this, and then just getting stopped out, and then it runs. 61.8 fib used to work really well back in the day, but now it's not a reliable fib level anymore. Peter, how come I'm short in gold? I'm just trying to follow the momentum of the current hourly. So hourly's flipped very, very bearish, coming back up, retesting these levels. And I think we are going to come and grab yesterday's low before then, you know, potentially going higher and maybe even coming back down and testing these highs around 1950. But even if we have a push back up, we have to come and grab yesterday's low like we do here. So we have that low, gets wicked out, and then you have to push back up. So we need to come and wick out yesterday's low and then have that push back up. So yeah. But my other concern is to come and grab all of this resistance as well. So if we close back above here, then I think you could push up into there, then potentially to do that. So yeah.
Straight back up will go.
Yeah, straight back up. That's why I'm gonna wait for this 30, because if this 15-minute closes above, then yeah, we could see pushes back up into this resistance. I think we have a lot of liquidity to grab around here. Even there's a nice first target. Lots of liquidity to grab. Let me just get rid of this. I didn't mean to put that on. So, but 5 minute close below. 5 minute now has to close back above, and I may get a quick little retest, and I may look for some longs. But yeah, go wait for this 5 minute. Who just got? You're on the naughty list. Stop spamming. I didn't do that. Crypto. How do I turn that off? I've just started using this spam protection. I want to delete that. You can use caps if you want. Yeah, let me disable that. There you go. Why did it just do that? Crypto, you're on the naughty list. I'm going to delete that. Head and shoulders on gold, Adam? Yeah, all good, Peter. I'll send a message in Discord, man. I'm going to wait for this 5 minute closure, and I'll say what I'm looking at. All good, man. All good. My bad. Just a habit. No, it's all good, man. I didn't even know that night bot blocked you from doing that. I've only just installed it today, so I didn't even know that it did that. I've just disabled it though. You caps until your heart desires. Send as many caps as you want. EJ wicking up them highs. Alright, so let's wait for this closure here on gold. Sorry, Tim, I have to mute you. Your TV's like coming over really loud. Or you can turn it down. Yeah, it's really loud on my end.
Oh, sorry, bro.
That's all good, man. It's all good. Oh, look at that. Just grab that previous 5 minute. Could get a nice drive here on gold. So I just disturbed your evening TV watch time. Sorry. EJ pushing higher. I'm not going to short EJ till it was to close back below. Oh, look at that. Gold now rejecting. Are we going to see some sells here on gold? What would the stops be? Stops would be around 20 pips. 20 pips or 30 pips. Not the best risk reward. How long we got? We got 30 seconds till this candle's going to close. I'm not putting this in just yet. I just don't like that gold is literally like straight into this level, and then we could just bounce higher. But the 30 minute is still looking nice, so you could wait for the 30 minute flip and have maybe entries like this, and then look for that. Let's see how this 30 minutes looking. Quite strong actually still. 30 minutes not that bearish just yet. So 30 minute low is actually all the way down here. Stops will be there. Yeah, fuck that. I ain't trading a 50 pip stop loss. Okay, we just had a 5 minute closure. I don't have any orders in just yet. I'm not jumping in just yet. I'm gonna wait. Because I just don't like that it's instantly into this level here. Look at this support, resistance broken. I just don't like that it comes right into that, which is only like from where we're sitting right now is like 8 pips. I don't want to fucking have to go break even at 8 pips. How's the 15? 15, yeah, 15 is still not looking too bad. EJ, 30 minute on EJ, still pushing higher. 5 minute, nice little 3-pin pattern coming up here. If we get closure back below, we could short EJ.
Yeah, EJ is what I'm looking at today.
Yeah, it looks nice, man. It looks nice. Probably be coming back to maybe retest some levels here. Yeah, look at that gold pushing back up high now. Did we just grab these lows? Ooh, no, not yet. Maybe we'll come and wick this level out. Yeah, look at that, pushing back up high now. I think gold, these are kind of the levels where gold can just do shit like this, get closure above, retest, and then just like fuck around these levels. So we have to be careful in these levels on gold. It's like to the left. There's no clear level that we can come into without coming into like instant barriers every like 10 pips. So That's the reason I'm not jumping in shorts just yet. And if we had put that in, we actually would have just got triggered and hit instant loss. So that was good to stay patient. Excuse me. Just got to let it do its thing for now, which is fine. EJ, if we were to short EJ to come down here, 15, 20 maybe pips. Let me see this. We can wait a little bit. We'll wait. Are you guys looking at any other pairs today apart from gold and GJ? Are you guys watching anything else? What else should we have a look at? Let's have a look at silver for a change. We'll do silver in a
I'm
while.
still watching EU, but it's
Nice.
I don't know. It's just taking the highs again, but
Let's see. Oh yeah, massively. You took your profits on your shorts, didn't you?
yeah,
Good man,
yeah. It
good
was
man.
only 6.4 pips, but because the stop loss was only 2 pips, I was over open 40 lots. But
That's banging.
I'm doing a FTMO trial just before I take a challenge, just to make
Good man.
sure, just to see how the broker works and everything.
Yeah, good man. Good to practice it.
Yeah.
How's the daily close on EJ? Yeah, daily was quite strong on EU. Yeah, daily was quite strong. Oh, guys, gold gonna break here. We're gonna reject and go lower. Please look.
It's in a range, but I might be looking at the potential short with EA.
Ooh. Take a look. I'm just gonna wait 1 minute to the close, and I'll take a look because I might have a sell here.
Oh well.
Might have a little cheeky sell. I'm just not scared, but I don't want to take this and we retest this and do this, and I'll be. But I like how this current 5 minute has just wicked out this previous 5 minute. If we're gonna get volume, this should be enough of a grab to have a nice drive down now. But the thing is, the annoying thing is that you got to be break even at 5 pips, which is just ridiculous when you filter in spreads. So I'm not gonna put it in just yet, but it is there. The setup is there, but the risk to reward is not, unfortunately. I mean, you could take a little half risk on it just to get your feet for the markets, get a little feel.
Fingers that.
Yeah, exactly. You said it, not me. I've just been banned from YouTube.
What's the name?
I'm joking.
Can you elaborate on your?
No. Sorry, I was just jumping to conclusions. That was actually my bad.
Yeah. How much you take me for? I think we've been on Zooms too many times. And there's too many reels been sent to each other.
I'm gonna put this in at only half risk. I just want to get a feel for the markets. I want to get an understanding of where I'm potentially going to go. So I have this in at half risk.
Did I generally hear you enter a trade there? Like, is it that quick with magic keys?
This isn't magic keys. This is just me using the position size calculator. It's honestly as simple as like it's basically literally like this on MT4. I draw the level there, and I drag the stop loss there, and it does the lot size automatically for me.
Jesus, because I was like, whoa, because I heard it and I was like, wow, that's quick.
It's as quick as you would draw it on here. It's good.
Did you ever have that lot size calculator working when you were using MT4 on Mac?
Yeah, I have it on my Mac, man. I've got it. I'll send you a video of it. Let me send. It's really good.
Because I tried installing it just straight on the Mac software, and just for some reason it wasn't popping up on the MetaTrader, because I use MetaTrader 5.
Yeah.
It wasn't popping up on 5 for some reason.
I remember it was a ball ache for me to do it as well, because the folders are different to Windows, but you can definitely do it. It is so worth it as well.
Because all the other ones on their marketplace is like $100 or.
Yeah, no, this one's free, and it's honestly it's amazing. Honestly, it's so simple. It's literally as like drawing it here. You have your lines, and you either put in like a risk like dollar amount or a percent amount or like a standard lots. That as you drag this, your lot size is changing like automatically. So it saves so much time. But if gold closes back above here on the 5 minute, I'll cancel the order. I would like gold to trigger and have a drive down at this current 5 minute. Thomas, yeah, I'll have a look at USD yen in 2 seconds. Just gonna wait for this to close. 30 minute on gold. Yeah, 30 minutes still looking nice on gold. It might come and grab the previous, which is fine because then we won't get triggered. But yeah, 30 minute to me looks still good for sells. Even just to come down and maybe just, you know, tap here. It's just quick 30 pips. Go on, drive gold. You know you want to. Give us the volume. I'm only half risk on this. Anyone who's just joined the stream. Half risk. Okay, now I can't spell. Order.
Minute was nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
No bottom wick.
Yeah, the safer entry would be waiting for like this, but it's just way too big of a stop. I can't mention. I'll tell you after. I was watching some other trading streamers last night with some pretty wild risk to rewards.
Yeah. I wonder.
70 pip stop loss for 15 pip target, if that tickles your fancy. Some streamers would do this and have TP here. How do we go? We've got 2 more minutes. This 5 minute closure. I do want it to trigger in this current 5 minute because I want to see the volume. Like we've broke above, broke back below, retested, grabbed the previous highs. So if we're gonna have the volume, we should have a nice drive from here. Adam, crazy. Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's insane. As long as we don't break this current 5 minute. Come on, coming to the last 1 minute of this candle now, so give us a nice drive. How's the 15 looking? We've got 5 more minutes till the 15 is going to close as well. But yeah, 15 looks beautiful. Nice fake out of that range. We just had the retest. So if we can now get that drive, amazing. I'm just very skeptical of this level here, which is around 1974.5. But yeah, we're probably going to get tagged here in a second. But yeah, we're only half risk. I'm not in yet. I'll tell you guys when I'm in. Let me just send this into Discord. Go on, gold. Give us a nice drive now in the last few seconds of this candle. Give us a nice push. A nice push. I'm not in yet. Why am I not in? Anyone else in? I'm not in.
I'm not in either. No. Hasn't triggered me.
No, it's okay. We get a nice push up.
Yeah.
Could actually get a nicer entry now.
1975.03.
Yeah, I'm not in yet. I'm in. Check. Nice. That literally came ridiculously close to my entry. My sell stop is at 1974.95.
Shit. Okay, that's one of you.
No, sorry.
Yeah.
I'm still not in, motherfucker. Yeah, 1974.95. Hit.
No, I'm in.
I'm not in, motherfucker.
You serious? Yeah.
No, I'm not in. My entry's here. 1974.95. Stops will be here. But yeah, only half risk if anyone else is taking this trade. Even you guys on YouTube, half risk today. Half risk on this position. The only reason I'm going half risk is because we come instantly into this level that we may just react off and push higher. But it's just me taking an early entry just so I can kind of get an emotional feel of the markets. Right, you gotta be in. Am I in? Let me see. Yeah, I'm in.
I was gonna say you gotta be in now.
Yeah, I'm in. Alright, let's see. Instantly coming into it, so if anyone wants to take 2 pips profit, tag me in your stories. But yeah, let's see. if we don't break this level right now, I will probably maybe bring stops to maybe this high, and then maybe even this high, just to I'm gonna have to manage quite aggressive on this trade. But let's see, we're instantly into that level. We'll probably wait, because this is the last 5 minute of the 15 as well. So if the 5 minute closes back below here, then the 15 is going to be leaving a really nice wick to have a really nice drive down. And we'll be considering managing risk here as well. So let's see. Okay, give us a nice push. We've got 2 more minutes though, so gold can do anything in the next 2 minutes. So we can't get too excited just yet. Instant 10 pepperonis though.
No table smashing just yet, guys. Hold it off for a little bit later.
You know, okay, you can have a little bang right now because it's 10 pips. If you want to have a little break of your table, but yeah, we'll get some big table bangs in soon. It's a nice entry.
Fucking Magic Keys fucked out of me.
Oh no, what happened?
Oh, I just wouldn't open count.
Ah, oh, bollocks.
Fucking homosexual cunt.
Missed the entry, but will survive. Yeah, Nathan will go, man. You probably get if the 5 minute breaks this level, you probably get a top wick and potential re-entry. Depending on this closure, I may go risk free soon. But I really want this 5 minute to leave no wick to the lows. I want a nice solid close here. If we start to wick back up now and look like we're going to close back above this level, then I will manage the position. But I'm not going to do anything. We got 1 more minute and 20 seconds, so we're chilling. But sniper entry, instant $200. $200 at half risk is not bad. We will take it. Someone was looking at USD yen. Someone's got USD yen.
Why I need to fucking activate this license again is beyond me.
Wait, let me see. Oh, okay. My finger is on the trigger to potentially close this at break even. How long we got? We've got 30 seconds. I'm waiting. If I just go into a little bit of drawdown, I'm probably gonna cut it, but I'm still in. My finger's ready to go. Because all I'll do then, if we reject it here and then the next 5 minute closes then below, amazing, I'll just do the exact same thing again. But let's just wait, we've got 10 seconds. Is gold gonna do what gold likes to do? And don't just close like a pip below it, get a nice drive. A really nice strong close, not like this. Create a really nice wick. What have we done? Let's see if we can get a push. We need to come and break as soon as we break the previous 5 minute low, I will go break even. What would stops be? If we just put stops here, it's 9 pips, you may as well just go break even. What have we just hit? We just hit, what did we hit? Did we hit 10 pips? Nope. Yeah, 12 pips. How was the 15? We just had that 15 minute close as well. Yeah, 15 minute was really nice. Now we just kind of have to survive the top wick of this current 15.
No, not working. I'm not happy.
Yeah, that's fucking annoying, man. Okay, I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm still in. Let's just see how this 5 minute goes. It's so difficult because it's around such a key level and to be just about broke. We're just breaking it. Nice. So as soon as we break this bottom wick, amazing. I'm gonna go break even. Cool. I'm gonna break even. All right. Cool. Break even. But remember, guys, filter in spreads as well. But okay, gonna see if it's just see when we come round. Whereabouts is 20 pips? 20 pips. You got 20 pips down there. But yeah, we could grab this 5 minute low. We're retesting these levels more, so we could get a bounce. Let's just see. 30 minute. Yeah, 30 minutes looking really nice. 30 minutes, just grab that 30 minute low now. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is a pretty make or break level. if I was in this full risk, I would just take off 50% there. But because 17 pips is pretty solid, but because I'm at half risk, I'm not going to take partials. This was more of a trade to get a kind of feel. But yeah, if anyone did take that full risk, this would be the place where I would secure. I know some of you guys, when I say half risk, you guys take like, that's 5% if you guys usually fucking risk 10. Look at that, Ron, I just saw your message in Zoom and I just saw your... Wait, oh man, this fucking Nightbot, what is it doing? Let me excess emojis, no, disable that. Ron, I need them again. Let me just disable all these fucking things. I just set up this Nightbot and it's fucking banning everything. Alright. There we go. Now you can get the bread. I probably just got you banned on YouTube, Don. Let me delete these things. How do I delete that? Ron, there you go. Appreciate it, man. Did anyone take this full risk or was everyone half risk like me? Anyone go full margin? 100 lots? No.
I got this call from a number I don't know. I think it's in like the US or something. I think my broker or someone's trying to contact me. I might have over leveraged my account or something. I don't know. Weird.
You go full margin. Full margin. Big up Nightbot. Get that bread. Crypto half. Good man. Sticking to the plan. 10 times 100 lot positions. Well, I mean, if anyone did take full risk, you just got 17 pips. It's not bad. But only because I'm half risk, it's not really worth me securing. This was kind of more a position just to get a feel for the markets. But yeah, really nice entry. We just grabbed that previous 30-minute low, which is right here. So now that we grabbed this low, if we close back above the bodies right here, then yeah, we'll rip higher. I'm about to get taken a break even.
Full position, and I took out at the top of that. This one here. When I tapped that,
oh nice.
It had 11, 12 pips, and I'm out.
Very nice. Yeah, I'm out there break even.
Yeah. It drove, then happy days. But I'm still. Evie, shut up. And then I was out.
Good man. You got quick 17 pips. Very nice. Very nice.
Done for this.
Yeah, done.
That was beautiful.
Yeah, amazing. Zero drawdown there as well. If I
should have taken buys to compensate. I do that all the time.
Yeah.
When I miss something and I sit there seeing that, then I see it bottom out and go fuck it, and I ride it back up.
Yeah, as soon as we grabbed that previous 30-minute low that we had to grab, then that was where we had to be break even. Look at that. Grab that previous 30-minute, now ripping back up. So yeah, it was very good management again. If I had full risk, like I say, I would have taken some off, but with half risk, it wasn't worth it. Jack, good shit, man. Gold is a roller coaster at time. Yeah, gold is a roller coaster, but I fucking love gold. I absolutely love gold. And
especially lately.
Yeah, man, the volume has been fucking beautiful lately.
Well, that's the thing, we've been able to trade it all night in ranges.
Yeah, literally. Like that right there was fucking 17 pips, which looks like a tiny portion of the whole entire moves, but you trade that with good risk management. It's fucking beautiful. I think I hit like my position ran into like maybe $250 within like a couple of minutes just trading half risk, and that was like a 2 lot. So you trade that with 5 lots, you just hit like fucking $600 in like 5 minutes. EJ making a push up. Right, let's have a look at other pairs now. EJ. No, EJ's not doing anything yet. Look at EJ. EJ is a mess right now, but it's okay. We're gonna wait. We're tapping into this resistance, so we'll probably get a drive back down and grab this low right here. Oh, let me have a chance to update. Get that bread. Go on, Ron. Ron with the bread.
AJ's had a nice push.
AJ. Yeah, very nice push. Did we grab some lows? No, not really. Let's see, hourly. Oh yeah, hourly's having a nice push. Very nice push. Very, very nice. It is hourly on gold. Still looks very interesting. Very interesting. But yeah, gold just straight back into the no trade range. So I'm not gonna do anything until gold breaks out of this range, because this range is 20 pips, 20 pipperoonies. YouTube guys, did anyone take any profit on that quick little gold scalp? 17 pips.
Sorry, guys.
That's all good, man. Good. Put your foot down.
What nearly went up her ass.
Put your skull in a bowl of vodka.
I wish. That's a jug of water.
Aaron's not happy with 1750. Like, oh,
yes, sir. I got $400 out of it. Dan, amazing work, man. Very, very nice. $400 in $400 in 5 minutes is very, very nice. Very, very nice. Look at that. The trade hit break even, and now all of a sudden we dropped like 20 viewers on YouTube. What the fuck was that about? You guys want to make your money and run. You're just using me. I'm not here to be used, alright? I got feelings, you know. Closed all on gold on the 10-4-6 1 minute candle. Very nice. Very, very nice. Great little quick scalp there. Very nice little scalp. YouTube, remember, drop a little like for the stream. Usually do these lives every Wednesday and Friday. So no stream tomorrow, but we'll be back on Friday. Oh, Dan, yeah, nice. I remember your messages now. That's all good, man. You spam away.
What's good?
Here he is.
Here he is.
Going on, team? How are we?
Nah, Jojo, you're a good lad. Thank you, man. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 5 minute to close on gold. I'm not gonna do anything until this 5 minute closes.
Lovely.
We took a little 17 pip scalp there on gold.
Did ya? I've got a little EJ runner. I did a momentum play at break even now, so let it run.
Good man. Look at that. That was a dirty little wick into these lows. Ripper back up, straight back down. Yeah, gold's doing everyone dirty this morning. But the hourly, I still think this hourly is going to flip bearish and come and grab the lows down here. Oh, we just flipped bearish right now. Okay, we got a 5 minute closure. As soon as this 5 minute closes and we create a top wick, I'm going to sell gold again. Where's my demo
That's
account?
my little play I've got running.
Oh, let me have a look. All right, gold push up now, and I'll look for some shorts again. Oh yeah, nice. Very nice. Very, very nice, Mark.
yeah. Let's vote and treat her. But I'm now.
Yeah, I placed it just before I headed home.
Good man.
Hang on, let me check market chart. No.
Yeah, there's no signal, no credit. That's the rules.
To be fair, I didn't do one yesterday with that EJ. I just didn't have time. It just happened so quick.
Because if I'd given signals, everyone would have been 0.4% down with me, but
No, but even if we were,
Oh, look at
still
that.
done it together.
Look at that. What a cunt. Oh. Do you, Michael? Yes, every single day. Funded by Top Step? No, I'm not funded by Top Step, but I've heard of them before. They seem like a pretty good futures firm. Oh man, look at that! Would have hit instant 30 pipperoonies. Peter, no, I got out, man. I got taken at break even after hitting around 17 pips. Then this 5 minute did me dirty. Closed incredibly bullish after wicking out the lows and retesting these levels. So I had to take risk off the table. And then there's been no entry for me to actually scale back in again, because we closed back above this level, back below. So if I'd got a quick little top wick there, amazing, I could have shorted this move down again. But yeah, just kind of got faked out there on gold. But
have the YouTube fam liked the stream so we get a position today?
No, not yet actually. That's a good point. YouTube fam, If you like the stream, we're only at 33 likes. If you like the stream, then we'll be able to get loads of positions on gold. Now in fat profit. Yes, Peter, nice, very nice. Instant 35 pips. What have you just hit? 30 pips. Very nice, Peter. No stop loss, gang, to the moon. Yeah, my original stop loss would have actually kept me in. I think it was around 150. 15 pips. No, so my original stop was here. So original stop was 25 pips. So yeah, we would have just hit a nice little 1.5 risk to reward. But that even if even if I hadn't gone break even after that 5-minute close, I would have cut it there at a 9 pip stop loss, because that 5-minute gave me no reason to hold. But yeah, like if anyone is in this, overall targets is to come and grab yesterday's low, which would be a potential 90 pip move. So this is quite sad to watch this run, actually.
Looked nice on the 30-minute too because of that previous closeout. So
clean, yeah. That's it. That's what I was saying. As long as we can survive this 15-minute top wick that we had to create, but unfortunately that 5-minute just threw me off. But damn, that would have been nice. That would have been beautiful.
Come on, phase 2. Let's go.
Come on, man.
Let's go.
Smashing it.
It's about 20 pips of a real messy level as well.
Look at that, Peter with the $600 on personal account. Amazing. Amazing, 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 amazing. Peter, if you're still in this, man, secure some partials, but I honestly would hold a runner back down to yesterday's low. You're talking like 90 pips. It's insane. Like literally fucking banger. Oh, I'm pissed that got me a break even.
Go on, EJ. Almost at 30 pips.
Where's your target?
I'm taking partials at the high it's about to take at 4, and then I'm going to leave a runner because I reckon it could come up and tap 141.745. Those highs there. On the 30 minutes, what I'm looking at.
Yeah, nothing. I'm looking at EJ. What's he on about?
That's what I'm looking at. EJ.
No,
EJ.
Wait,
Yeah.
did you say GJ Hallett? I thought you said GJ.
Yeah, GJ.
No, yeah, it might have an EJ. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
EJ, not GJ.
Gold needs to come back up and give me another entry. And I still think I have room to short this down for another 60 pipperoonies.
40 likes on the stream.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
I think GJ can come up to 162, 170.
Oh, look at that. That's oh man, that would have been my honestly that'd be me done. Done, like 50 pips, I'll be done.
Beauty. Good call, bro. Overall.
Thank you.
Good direction.
Thank you, sir.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
It means I can revenge trade in US now and lose even more.
Well, Amber.
Did anyone else on Zoom still hold that? I know Pete's still holding, but did anyone else manage to hold through that crazy 5-minute? No, I don't blame you after that 5-minute.
The money mileage is there.
Yeah, good shit. Yeah, like I say, even if I hadn't closed at break even, after that 5-minute close back above that level and was really strong, I honestly would have cut it here at minus 9 pips. You can say that, you know, in hindsight you would have let it run. I know for a fact I wouldn't have. I would have cut that instantly as soon as that 5-minute closed. Now took out $700. Peter, good shit, man. Very, very nice. $700 in like 10 minutes. Amazing. Amazing. Just like that. Break even is win in my books. Yeah, Peter, I'm happy with the break even. If I had risked full position, I would have taken off 50 at 17 pips, but only because I was half risk, I was like, yeah, it's not worth securing, but it was worth me going break even. And unfortunately, we couldn't survive that 15-minute top wick, which we knew we had to create.
On the cards over gold.
Yeah, me too. Until we grab yesterday's low, I'm short on gold.
I still think we can have another. I think we can have a bigger position because there's no set cleaner. My journal is still open, so obviously that means that my journal wants another bout of writing in it.
More bank.
It's a bit of a tattoo on it again, so you know.
Michael, good break even. Nothing wrong with that. Thank you, man. Yeah, no, it's a good break even. Fantastic break even. I'll hide it off for now so we can see properly what's going on. Let's look at some new levels. We don't care about this level anymore. We don't care about this level anymore. Now, what new levels do we care about? These ones right here. Looks pretty nice to me. Look at that. Support, little fake out. How does that look? This looks like a pretty nice level.
The only thing is I don't like that noise, that mess on the left.
This.
No, if you zoom up for me a little bit, please.
This.
That, yep.
Yeah, that's what I think we need to come and retest.
Yeah, it is. It's quite clean though, like on the higher time frame, like 32 an hour.
Yeah.
But it's, I just, I don't want it to stall.
We take on a...
There, you know. I don't want it to stop for petrol, you know. I want it to go down.
Oh yeah, at a given, we have to come and grab yesterday's low. And then maybe once we grab this low early on the London, then we can look for longs in US. But I still would like to short it today. So if we can come back up now and maybe retest some levels here, I would consider shorting it again. If I get a good setup, I'll take full risk. But until I get a good worthwhile setup and some nice volume that we're now getting, I will just manage aggressively. Because look how many times we fucked around in this area. This is an area of fuckery.
I don't know why that's so funny, but it did actually make me laugh. Aaron's chosen aggression this morning.
Well, I just had my 30 pips. I would have been done for the day. I would have called it right there. Yeah, 40 pips.
It was nearly a live aggression on YouTube earlier. I was 5-year-old.
But no, the shorts were very, very valid. Very, very nice. Textbook setup. It's one to say for the books.
Yeah, it's just a shame really that noise is there.
Yeah, shame that we came straight into that and had that instant strong 5-minute reaction and didn't really get a retest.
Go on then.
Is she pushing? Oh, look at that.
It's just hit my 80% partials and I'm gonna
Good
leave
man.
a runner into the daily high.
Very nice, very, very nice.
I'll send it in the chat. It looks juicy.
Yeah, it's a banger. How many pepperonis you got there?
It's floating at 40.
Amazing.
Jeez Louise.
Yeah, very, very.
That'll be pretty
Ooh.
nice for phase 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's lovely.
Yeah, it was only a half risk trade though because it was a momentum play rather than a liquidity grab.
That was good.
But with those, I sort of manage risk I pretty much halved my stop loss as soon as it sort of drove up.
Use both of them together, liquidity and the momentum, and they just boom.
Because I just looked like it had a really nice formation on the 15 with stops below that wick. It was a nice position for me.
Gold, slow down, please.
And,
Please slow down.
I'm hoping, and above, I'm hoping this continues. And above 142 on EJ, I will be looking for longs.
Yeah, because yeah, bro, look at that clean range above there. There's no noise whatsoever.
What's it called? Sorry. Excuse me. Yeah, the brick road. Okay.
Called the Allied zone.
To go through it, I call it the happy zone.
Got the journal zone.
Yeah. I don't have to get a lock. I think
Oh, look at that.
lock.
Fuck.
Or maybe push because
Push.
I don't I don't have them going into my journal, stealing like secrets. Secrets I've learned
Give us this.
in the FWA community. I don't just steal them back.
I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to open up your own community. That's ridiculous.
60
Oh,
pips.
man.
Do the iron on the screen. The little finger push.
Go on.
Oh, my days. What a cunt. Oh, man. Runner would have been 120. This is the low that we had to come and grab. So simple. Such a clean short.
But this is good.
This hurts, crypto. Yeah, it hurts, man. Revenge race time. Yeah, I saw that. It absolutely is revenge trade time. Jesus, yeah, absolutely insane. That would have been my day done. Done. Time to revenge trade. Yeah, guys, start loading up longs. No stop loss. Load up some serious longs now.
Some risk to reward setups.
Full margin.
Waiting around last night.
Just ripped through the roof as well.
Yeah.
So is AJ.
Motherfucker.
AJ.
Yeah.
How much profit would I have made?
What is that news release?
I don't think so. I would have made around about 1.7, half risk.
Even a half risk, that's still like a 2% trade. That's sick.
Yeah. Literally, man. 2% down into these lows, instant 2%.
And the good thing is, even if you did take a L on one of those trades, because it's half risk, you probably only lose like 0.3, 0.4%, and then you can just make 2% and you're up for the day.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, literally.
Like, risk management is so key.
The absolute key.
2% a day will keep the doctor away. That's what you need, huh?
Absolutely. Damn right it will.
Keep the 9 to 5 away.
Literally. When I said full margin longs, we're up 40 pips now, guys. Stops to break even.
Fully snot.
Jesus Christ, what's going on?
0 drawdown, 0 spread. Beautiful catch.
0 drawdown, 0 spread.
Well, we could have shorted gold here originally with something like that, and had to take profit there.
Come on.
Maybe stops. Maybe give it some breathing room. Stops up here. Banger. Alright, let's see now. This is where it gets more interesting on gold on a higher time frame perspective. Now that we've grabbed that previous day low that we had to grab, now it could get some pushes up, but I don't think they're going to come in the next like couple of minutes, to be honest. I'm going long. Oh, Peter's in a long. Peter's loading up the longs. If you had a little runner, you could now be loading up longs risk free. That's why I always leave a runner. Always leave partials.
That's such a key tip. What you were saying with it, I think a few days ago, how you can anchor it, and then if you've got a runner, that might cancel out 2 losing trades. If you have 1 or 2 losing trades.
Oh, easily, man. Yeah, easily. Especially with a move like that, 100 pips like that, even just holding a 80%. That's now, yeah, literally giving you two new positions completely risk free.
Such a little nugget.
Yeah, that's a serious edge.
Nugget.
What a nugget.
What a nugget.
Like a nugget on your means like
Don't say that. Tim will be straight to KFC again. Ooh.
Oh.
It's the smile, bro. The smile gets me every time.
Fuck, it's hot.
Fucking pepper mayo slider and a popcorn chicken go bucket. Best combo. Cost you $7.
What more could you want? 100 pips on gold?
Call one on the kernel.
I can see KFC from my window, so you guys talking about it is not a good thing.
A big day for Colonel's there just to come on.
Yeah.
Come. He's got you.
Is a bucket only £3.50 over there? Like $7?
Fuck, if I could walk to KFC and write my name on the seats.
No, it's not a bucket, it's just like a little cup. The $3.50.
Yeah.
You get some chippies and popcorn chicken and stuff.
Beautiful.
Chippies.
It's just the right amount for a little snacky snack, you know what I mean?
That's when they got you. That's when they got you. I went to McDonald's yesterday. I had a 5 chicken select meal. Then I was just going to be tidy. I was going to have a double cheeseburger, and I was just going to have that spicy chicken burger. But then they asked, oh, was that a meal? And I was like, yeah, go on then. So I had 2 meals and a double cheeseburger.
You pick.
They fucking know exactly the right questions to ask.
I know. And then the weird thing is, when I got to the window to collect it, she was so smart. And I have to say, I was like, oh yeah, I'm picking this up for work as well. It's not up for me.
They need to send some people from Australia over there to train. It's hey, what can I order? You say you order, and they go, what was that?
Trump's going to jail today. Oh yeah, Trump is going to jail today. Yeah, US is gonna be wild.
Is he actually?
Yeah, he's been. I'm pretty sure he's been arrested. I mean, let me Google it.
Right?
Trump.
I've just hit my TP on EJ.
Yes, man.
I'll keep it on it.
Take that. I'll show you in the market chat.
Do you say 70?
I'll keep it running. Don't take it, right? Just run it. Keep it running.
Yeah, leave a small runner. 70
Yeah,
pip.
stop loss.
70 pips is amazing, man.
Don't. Yeah, that's going.
Oh, that's
I'm
a
looking for
banger.
lines above 142. So.
Banger
Like,
trademark. Look at that volume.
Yeah, yeah. Well, you can do what you want, but I would keep something in there, Marky.
No.
Especially with how it's been running, because we get to like 7 or even the next morning, and it's like if you'd held runners, you'd be up bloody 200 pips.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Oh, Blake, you need to get yourself over there. I've just seen it creeping through the bushes.
Yeah, you can just see his smile peeking through the top there.
Yeah, banger trademark. Very, very nice. Where do you have longs from? Just so I can show the YouTube guys. Was it around here?
141.045 on the 15-minute time frame.
.045.
Go to the 15-minute, it looks cleaner.
15.
On the flip of that.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Like above this.
045 and targeting those daily highs.
Amazing.
Up there.
Bam! Look at that.
Like bang on 70 pips.
Amazing. Beautiful.
You'd be up to split half on your phase 2 then, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I'm over half.
Good shit, man. Very, very nice. Markets be crazy later. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, amazing.
It just shows, yeah. Like today, so I took, for transparency, I took a 4 pip loss on EJ, a 12 pip loss on gold, a 9 pip loss on EJ because it tagged me in with spreads, and then I've just got a.
Ah, so I fucking hate that.
Yeah, pretty much.
Good man. Very nice.
Keep those losses small.
Yeah.
That's the key. Because if you look at it, you've lost 3 trades and won 1, but you're up.
That's amazing.
Because of risk management.
Look at that ridiculous entry. Banger.
Very nice. Very good. Very good. Very nice.
Can't catch those. Hey, if you want to trade live with us every day, you can. You absolutely can. We've been absolutely smashing it the past few weeks. The volume in the markets has been incredible, and we're just milking it for everything it's worth, because you never know. Next week, London could be dead, so you got to take advantage of this volume as much as possible.
Yeah. Like I don't really care if it's dead. I do. I don't like it being dead. It's boring.
Yeah.
Well, I could set demands for a bit.
Dan, what more waiting to see with gold? Wait and see if it can maybe come back up and retest before then having another potential drive back down. But we've just come and grabbed the lows that we had to grab before potentially even run up even higher. So right now I'm not really doing anything. This is pretty much the London push, the London move that I would have wanted. So we could now just range in here. But if we can come back up, I would look for potential shorts at this little level here. So you've got that nice broken support, little fake out support. Really nice little level here where we could still see maybe another little live drive lower to come and grab the low for a potential 60 pips. but that was my play today. Unfortunately, that was my main play. See, if I had just monitored off the 15, and that's what I keep saying, I wouldn't have got taken out of this. Sometimes the 5 minute is beautiful to execute off, but not to manage off.
Yeah, but that 15-minute at that time would have been, because we were known, right? It was bouncing off that level, so at the 15, when it bounced off there, I might have looked as in.
Yeah.
I've found EJ and GBPJ have been moving really nicely on the flips of those like little 15-minute candles.
Yeah. It's so clean, because there's literally like moves like this. Even if you just took this part of the move, there's moves like this every day, a couple of times a day in every session. Like we saw moves like this today in Asia, we've seen one again today in London, and we'll definitely see one again today in US. So catching these quick moves is literally it's all you need. Even if you just took it off here, you took 30 pips at these lows. It's fucking 30 pips. It's amazing.
Yeah, I don't understand these. I don't know. Some of these traders, they just hold for like 300 to 500 pips, and they've got like thousands running, and they're like, yeah, it hasn't hit my TP yet. And I'm like, are you absolutely having a giraffe?
Demo traders.
Okay, it's got like 80,000 running. They're like, yeah, it hasn't hit my TP yet.
Yeah, demo traders.
Dear Lord.
Place a trade and go get yourself a boat.
Yeah, fuck it hell.
Like I'd be cashing up 80 grand, and I'd be like, see ya, I would Skype the missus from Thailand. I moved there.
Not even just like having the 80 grand. When you look at the actual trade, if you go down to like the 1 hour or the 4 hour, there's like 10 different entries, and they could have turned that 20R into 200R.
Literally, yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Like we were talking about it on Bitcoin yesterday.
Yeah.
People were holding it, and you could have just easily taken so obvious sells.
Yeah, 100%. I closed at break even, and looking at how gold sell, I was going to take a forward question about risk trade management, so I'm proud I did. Yeah, amazing. That's what it's all about. It's all about your trade management and sticking to your plan. My plan for this trade was just very simply, as long as gold holds below this level, I'm okay to short, but the second we close above, I will flip my bias, and if I had the entry, I would actually have even gone long. So if you manage your position like this, 9 times, no, maybe not 9 times out of 10, but the majority of the time, when it flips like this, it will just continue running up, and if you don't manage your positions well, you'll take a lot of losses. So I do manage my trades, like my whole trade management plan is very, very important, and for the most part, it pays off, but there obviously is the fair few times where you will manage it and it will stop your breaking before then going in your favor. But as long as you stuck to your risk management plan, your trade management plan, then yeah, it's amazing. And for me, I did. So it's one of them where you have shorts and the 5 minute close is incredibly bullish, where that doesn't happen very often, but sometimes it does, and that's just part of the plan, part of the fun. That shit will always happen. But yeah, YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. Remember, I'll be back live again on Friday. But I'm still going to hang around for a little bit more and see for potential more sells. More sells on Goldie. Oh, nice. Is that a journal?
Where are you? Yes.
Nice. Oh, is this a nice little third drive?
Yeah,
very nice.
Mine's full. Mine's absolutely full. The Aaron has been telling me for
I'm gonna see you, Pete. Take it easy, man.
He has been back to journal, and the last quarter of last year and this year, I've been doing it religiously, and holy cow, just the mindset's changed. It's just like things. Like,
it's so important.
Write every single thing down in regards of trading. Nothing else is written down here. Well, except for like my daily goals, my things to do and stuff like that. I don't write about them, but everything in regards of the trades, like even if I don't take one, explain why I didn't take it. So if you're looking back, it's been a game changer. How have you felt it? Do you like doing it?
Maybe you write down about not getting triggered in the other night because of your latest
Yeah, I wrote, I said, check emails for
Check emails.
conversation. But I wrote my emotions about that, and it was capital letters. Fucking angry.
As per my previous email.
Oh God.
How come you don't let your trade just hit stop loss? Because to me that doesn't make sense. If the trade is clearly going against me, for the most part, I'll flip my bias and take the other side. So I never married to what the trade's going to do. If the price is telling me that it's hit a level and it could go against me, for me just to leave my trade open and just say fuck it, to me that's poor risk management, poor trade management. And having a trade management plan is something that most retail traders neglect. Like they have their entry and they have their target and they have their stop loss. But if you go back and you look at a lot of your losses and you look at it from a neutral perspective, I guarantee you for the most part, there was more than enough opportunities for you to cut your shorts, cut your loss quick and take the other side. And that's kind of what I found a lot is I'd look back a lot of my losses and see, look, hey, if I was just a little bit more neutral and not married to my shorts, I could have actually flipped my bias here, gone long, and it would have massively outweighed your loss. So for me, if I'm in a short or I'm in a long, whatever, and it's clearly going against me and the markets are telling me it's going against me, I'm going to do something about it, and I have to do something about it. Obviously, this is an example where if I had just left it open, yeah, it would have hit TP. But again, if this had just ran up and I didn't do anything about it, and I ignored the fact that we were bouncing off this support with a 5 strong minute close and I hit stop loss. Prior to this, so let's say this closed bullish and the next 5 minute ran up, and if I took a loss here, I'd be like, why the fuck did I take a loss there? Why didn't I see that was a broken level? The 5 minutes just closed strong. I would be stupid to not manage my position there. So yeah, managing my trades and trade management is very, very important for me. And for the most part, it helps me. It saves me a lot of losses. I very rarely take full losses because of the way that I manage my positions. It's very, very rare for me just to leave a position open and let it hit full stop loss. And for the most part, when I manage them like this, they end up hitting what my stop loss would have been. So yeah, I personally just don't agree with having your entry, having your stop loss and just saying fuck it and letting it do its thing. For me, risk management is much more important than that. If it's clearly going against you, like you should have always been taught, keep your losses small and let your winners run. How can you ever keep your losses small if you don't manage your positions? Yeah, that's very, very important. I used to do it in the beginning. I just say, well, I've got my entry, I've got my stop loss. If I hit my stop loss, fuck it. But you're never going to keep your losses small if you just let it hit stop loss every time and you don't manage it. If it clearly goes against you and price is literally telling you, look, you weren't right, cut your position, take the other side. Amazing. So yeah, having a full trade management plan is as important as having a risk management plan. Do you talk about this in more detail in your membership? Yeah, I do, Maverick. I have a full trade management video in there as well. Risk management, I feel, is the key to long-term success. Yeah, risk management, trade management, having an edge, all these things are very, very important. Remember, it's not about being right or wrong in the markets.
You record yourself talking and giving advice and everything as well, don't you?
Yeah.
Called in the market chat.
Yeah, I do all my like psychology audios as well.
Okay. Yeah.
That's
it, the psychology audios.
Yeah.
They really help.
Yeah, that's my favorite part.
A lot of the things.
Trading psychology is my favorite part.
What we're all going through, but you've been through.
But yeah, my full trade management plan video is in the community as well. It's very, very important, very, very important. Because this is easy to say in hindsight. Well, why didn't you just hold this? But if this had just closed bullish like it looked like it was going to, and I didn't acknowledge this and that we're bouncing off this, in my opinion, that would be stupid to not do anything with that. Or at least, if it goes against you, like say if my stop was here, if we had broken this high, then, as it goes against me, if it's not screaming at me to get out, maybe I'll scale out as well. Scaling out is another big important thing you can do as well. People scale into positions and load up into positions, but why do you not scale out of your position if it's going against you? You have to play it from both sides. You manage your trade when it's in profit, but when it's in a loss, you do nothing. And to me, that doesn't make sense. But that's just me. It's all about what works for you. But for me, managing my trade in drawdown and in profit is very, very important. But yeah, gold's just creating a little bit of space here. EJ just running higher. Mark's making bank. I should probably make.
I'm gonna send a chart picture zoomed out.
Let's do it.
What Aleb was saying, buys above 142. Those, like, you could target last week's highs, and that would be. I'm gonna send this in the thing. Just I like it. If you zoom out on EJ.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look at your chart. Yes, he does. He does.
Weekly highs. Wow, that's from where it is now. 320 pip move.
Yeah, ridiculous.
Yeah.
Look at that. You wicked out all of these lows. Bam.
Yeah, that's where that clean road is going up there on the left. I like it.
Alan's yellow brick road.
Thank you.
It's not called a yellow brick road as well. It's called Alad's yellow brick road.
I patent that. Thank you.
Gold bearish. Nah, not really. This is kind of my target of if I was short. This is where I was shorting into this previous low, and also retesting this high. So we've just had this nice third drive into the lows as well. So depending on this hourly, overall on the daily time frame, gold's bullish, right? Gold's bullish. We've just had to come and grab yesterday's previous low, which is the liquidity that we need to then potentially go up higher. But we do still have 1950 in these previous highs here as well. So we may push down a little bit more. But with FOMC tomorrow, I'm not predicting any daily moves. I'm just kind of trading what I see on an intraday perspective, because you can't really paint any overall picture. But as it stands, gold is very, very bullish. Let me just clean some of these levels up. Let's get rid of this. Let's just get our key levels on. Let's get rid of this one. Get rid of this one. What one's this? Yeah, get rid of that. Yeah, so very simply, gold's respecting 2,000 after an incredibly strong weekly close last week. So yeah, this week we could come down a little bit more. Retest 1950, which has been a very, very clear key level. Before then, we could be long in gold back up into 2,100, which is just absolutely huge. Gold has lots of liquidity sitting above these weekly highs. So yeah, pullbacks. I mean, overall, I'm very bullish on gold. Have a look at it from the monthly. Monthly starting to respect this level. Look at this. On the monthly time frame, gold has never ever closed above 2,000. So whether or not we do it this month, we'll have to wait and see. But if we do, gold's got some moves to all-time highs. But if by the time this monthly closes, which I believe is not next week, the week after, we close back below 1950, then shit gets really interesting. And if we even close back below these lows, which doesn't look realistic now, but FOMC could absolutely change everything. That could be very, very interesting. So we're in absolute make or break levels right now.
It's no coincidence that it's so close around that area with the FOMC.
Yeah. Always the way. Wow, we're live on a Tuesday. Yeah, we're live on a Tuesday, man. That's why there's less views than normal. But I won't be live tomorrow. We had some shorts on gold, but unfortunately it got me at break even before absolutely hitting bank. And I'm just currently waiting for a little bit more. I need I delete all my intraday levels. Let me get my intraday levels back.
To be fair, there's been some lovely moves this morning.
Yes, very, very nice moves. Even pre-London here. Look at that huge drop.
Yeah.
Correction. Boom.
I'm generally waiting for EJ now to break that 142 level, and I'm looking for longs.
Let's have a look.
Even until 143. Oh, dear Lord, if it goes up there. You won't see me tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll be very careful tomorrow in London. We'll just probably take some maybe quick scalps. I'll be back on for the London Open, and then what time is that? FOMC. Yeah, let me just. So tomorrow it is at What time is it in London? 8:30. Yeah, so it's at 6 p.m. London time. So yeah, we got high impact GBP news at 7 a.m. So maybe that could give some volume. We can take some. Probably won't trade gold tomorrow, but we can still trade euro yen and pound yen.
Yeah.
We can still catch some nice positions. But yeah, gold has to create space
I
now.
like these nice clean ranges. Get out of town with these minging ones.
Yeah, that was a lovely reaction. Look at that. 1, 2, third drive
you
into
set
low.
up your PlayStation?
Boom. Oh, I sure have.
Oh,
I got a new.
game in.
I got the new.
What have you been playing?
Been playing COD. Been playing New Modern Warfare, but I want to get FIFA. But if I get FIFA, then I'm going to spend all my pips opening packs, hoping to get Ronaldo. And I don't know if I want to do that.
My brother-in-law is so bad at that. He spends so much money.
Yeah.
I remember last year, he's like, "Oh, don't tell your sister." I'm like, "Oh, this is juicy." I was like, "Yes, go on." But I was expecting like a couple of hundred quid. Like $3,000 he spent. And I was like, "Are you serious?" He's like, "Yeah." I was like, "No, but
You can come in if you want.
You're still shit." I was like, "Oh my god."
Not otherwise, because you unplug every time he goes over it, he unplugs the screen. Will you take the toy of him and I'll...
Yeah, he's feral. He doesn't have a knife. Drop.
Okay, I was trying.
Sammy streams.
I was trying to get Sammy on the stream, but he's fucking nuts.
When's Sammy having YouTube?
Yeah, Sammy's.
When's he having his own channel?
Okay, when's Sammy having his own YouTube channel?
Drop. Sammy already has one.
A
You just don't subscribe
No,
to
a
his
YouTube channel. A YouTube channel.
Yeah, he already has one.
He's gonna do product reviews on toys.
He'll review Aaron's
The thing is-
toys. Good dad.
The thing is, there will be a YouTube channel where there is literally a dog that reviews dog toys, and the owner will make fucking shit ton of money.
Can we actually review
Yeah.
this one? This sucks.
Isn't that like Chinese American kid?
Oh yeah, what's he called?
He doesn't even. I really don't know. I'm terrible with the names, especially with the Chinese one. It's just, I can't believe he's like a millionaire and he's like not even out the primary yet.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's so ridiculous. Fair play to his parents though. It's fucking smart.
Well, yeah.
Fair play to him. Alright, let's take
Alright,
this.
lads, I'm gonna go get some Indian food.
You enjoy, man. I
Oh,
swear you're always eating out. Well, this, all these pips are paying for all these meals out.
It's paying when I get funded. It's not paying at the moment, but when I get funded, it'll be paying.
Good man.
Yeah,
Enjoy.
Alright. I'll probably see some of you for US if you're around.
Alright,
so there
man.
we go. I'm pretty good.
Cool. Talk to you soon, man.
Sweet. Have a good
All the best, guys.
See you, man.
Later.
Bye. Bye.
Yeah, no, I'm just being patient for above there. Just look at that. It's just clean, eh?
Oh yeah, if we close above this, then we should get a nice drive into like 1425.
Like, holy cow, that's a lot of pips.
That's
Just
a
right
lot.
there.
Yeah, that's a lot of pepperonis. 1425 is there, which is if we get that nice closure, 50 pepperonis. But yeah, I think we can come back up and retest these levels up here.
Yeah.
I just sent a message in Zoom. Give me 2 seconds.
Yeah, no worries.
YouTube fam, I'm gonna wrap up here. That was kind of my play today. That was the only kind of short that I wanted to play down into yesterday's daily low. We had a fantastic entry, broke the low to perfection, ran into like an instant 17 pips. And then unfortunately that 5 minute just went against us before then flipping back bearish and hitting full TP. So I know some of you guys held, so if you did hold, very, very good job. An amazing trade. An amazing call. I'm going to be going live again, not on YouTube, but with the community tomorrow. And then I'll be live again on YouTube for you guys on Friday. But that's pretty much it for me, London session. I'm going to stay on Zoom for like maybe another half an hour, see if there's anything shaping up. But I feel like I'll just be forcing something when this was kind of my play today. And if I've had my play and I missed it, I'm just going to close the charts. I'm not going to revenge trade. I'm just going to let it do its thing. And then come back for the US session and do it all over again. So yeah, I'll let you guys go. If you did catch that position, very well done. And then I will see you guys again on Friday. So trade London safe, trade US safe. Remember, we've got FOMC tomorrow. And I'll catch you guys on Friday. Peace.